So we're going to do some chicken fried rice today. It's got a kind of Mexican or Tex-Mexy vibe to it. You know, smoked paprika, cumin, oregano, garlic in there. So yeah, chicken, onions, red beans, red peppers, beautiful. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is I've got 4 cups of cooked basmati rice. Now, you may have heard me say this a million times if you're a regular. Use cold rice. So that was cooked yesterday and put in the fridge. Hot rice and warm rice doesn't work out so well. I've got there 1 decent size chicken breast, no skin and no bone. 1 bell pepper cut into little pieces. I'm using a can here of red kidney beans. If you're using from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water. 1 kind of smallish onion, it's not a big one, that one, chopped again small. Tablespoon of garlic. I've got some green onions or spring onions. Some fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. And then here we've got about a teaspoon each of oregano, cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika. The smoked paprika is going to give it an absolutely wonderful flavour. If you haven't got smoked, use the sweet one, not the hot one, because the hot paprika is pretty much the same as chili. Olive oil, let's get moving. So I've got a wok. You're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. I've got some olive oil there. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion. I've just put the heat on. The heat's on above medium. Our garlic, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. And then that decent size chicken breast with no skin and no bone, cut nice and thin. We're going to go for 4 minutes. We're going to keep it moving. And we're already well on our way. This is so easy. So the chicken will cook really nice and quickly because it's so thin. We're now going to add in that red bell pepper. You can sort of go for a few different colours if you want. We're then going to add in the 1 can of red kidney beans. Salt. Black pepper. And then let's just take a look one more time. So equal amounts here, just like a teaspoon or so. Oregano, cumin, chili, and smoked paprika. Another 4 minutes on this, you know, fairly decent heat. Keep it moving. We're nearly done. Fabulous. Now let's get in our cold cooked rice. Just breaking it up there. And like I say, the cold one really does work out so much better. Right, we're going to cook this now for about 5 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time on a decent amount of heat, above medium heat. And we're pretty much done. Just a couple more things to add. Simple. Beautiful stuff. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's put those green onions in. Let's put that cilantro or coriander in, whatever you call that. Let's give that one more mix. And this beautiful chicken rice is done. See you at the table. And there you go, super easy, fun packed, supersonic flavors in there, really easy. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and do all that good stuff. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's going to shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.